Welcome everyone to the Wight Potter 19 Rehabilitation Channel. So let's explain what was going on with this Companionway hatch. When I bought Masasa, the previous owners, one of them, had installed a solar fan in the Companionway hatch. That Companionway hatch is made of a white resin of some type, plastic, not sure specifically what it is in terms of the actual resin. So they cut a hole to install the solar fan. I want to say they did a good job, but here is the piece that I actually cut out for the new porthole that I installed, and it is a non-opening smoked gray plexiglass porthole. But you can see that there was initially one hole, and then they kind of butchered up another hole, and all of these screw holes they drilled out. This is actually how I found it once I took the fan out. So you can see they did not do a very nice or clean job doing it. In addition, I also wanted to cheat a little in an attempt to use a couple of the screw holes that they did have when I installed the smoked gray porthole. And I actually was only able to do it with one of the screws, but another one was really close. So I did the best I could. And you now see the new smoked gray porthole, non-opening, and installed with stainless steel, nuts and bolts, also marine tex, and you'll see that the hole, as a result of what I was dealing with, is larger in a couple of spots, trying to cheat as best I could. And then I filled with a little bit of marine tex again, and then just regular caulk to make it look a little bit nicer. So that is the finished product. Not going too crazy. I thought of some other things I could do, but for now I'm just going to leave it as it is. Again, we're not talking a mega yacht here. We're talking a Wight Potter 19 that needed some rehabilitation. So there you go, Wight Potter 19 fans, and specifically you Masasa lovers. See you later.